Hello! Welcome to Learn English with Matt. Learn 30 animals in English. Cat, cat. Dog, dog. Lion, lion. Tiger, tiger. Jaguar, jaguar. Wolf, wolf. Jackal, jackal. Hyena, hyena. Fox, fox. Horse, horse. Donkey, donkey. Camel, camel. Zebra, zebra. Giraffe, giraffe. Elephant, elephant. Dinosaur, dinosaur. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Cow, cow. Deer, deer. Monkey, monkey. Gorilla, gorilla. Bear, bear. Polar bear, polar bear. Pig, pig. Crocodile, crocodile. Snake, snake. Lizard, lizard. Frog, frog. Turtle, turtle. Penguin, penguin. My favorite animal is a cat. What about you? Write your favorite animal in the comments. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Watch the next lesson in this playlist. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.